Hey guys, how's it going? So today it's not going to be a install on the Z. Instead of two boxes. Well, this one I just got in. This one I've had for quite a while actually. So I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing video so you guys can see what's next for the car. So first I'll start with this one. This is a fairly old box. I picked this up used about 4 years ago, I think. Haven't installed it yet, but its round shape should give you a hint about what it is. So I keep it in this. This is all just surface rust, so you can ignore that. So right here, I have these are all the bolts, the extra ones. Jumbo-Tech flywheel. I believe these are 14 pounds, and this is a new plate. It has a little bit of surface rust, as you can see, but this is easily cleaned. So mine's been like this for a while, but this is a new plate with new bolts, and they come with the bolts and they come with the nuts in the back. So these have all been torqued. So that's this. Getting on to the new box. Oh, and in case if you want the part for this, it's that plate. It's a friction plate. It comes with all the new bolts. So here's the new box. I have not opened this. As you can see, the shipping tape is still intact. So pop open that. So let's see what we have. Cool. So these are the OEM flywheel bolts, which I advise everyone to get. These are about $3 a pop, at the dealer at least. So I got a pack because that's important. This is the Koyo Nissan one. Well, I guess it's Koyo, but yeah, this is the Nissan throwout bearing. On their website it says it's Koyo, but I'm guessing that's just the OEM one. Here's the clutch plate itself, or at least the clutch material. I got the regular street version because it's fairly stock, the car, so it's nothing crazy. This does come packaged, so I'm not going to open it because I don't want to get this dirty. Yeah, so it looks really good. I'm just checking to make sure that there's no cracks or anything on it. Yeah, this looks great. Push this to the side. There we go. And then, cool little thing. It's nice. I'm gonna put it down there. Then I'm gonna open up the actual hub. Let's see if I can do this single-handedly. Probably not. Here and there. Cool. So here's this one. Cool. So it comes with a brand new brass bushing, the tool, and the actual. Whew. All right. Cool. So I'm gonna put this. I'll just leave it on the box just for now. Cool. So there it is. Looks good. I don't see any weirdness on the teeth here. Surface looks great. It's still oiled. So I'll clean up when I install it. These look great. I don't see any weird imperfections or anything like that. These clutches, per my research, are built by Exity or Exity, whatever. But yeah, they come really well packaged. So let me put this guy back in. It's probably there. Cool. And there's the shipping label on the bottom. Oh, nice. Okay, so included a couple stickers on here. Awesome. This is what you buy parts for, really. It's the stickers and the air freshener give you the horsepower, not the actual parts. You know, that's just a common misconception. But yeah, so far so good. I've heard pretty decent reviews on these clutches, and for $250, I believe, which is what I got them on Black Friday, I believe you can't go wrong for that price. I think I paid with the bolts, because the bolts were a little bit like 20 something dollars. I believe with all that I paid about $260 or $280. So yeah, not bad for a clutch that holds a little bit more power and is compatible with this. I went ahead and asked them about that, so they said that it's perfectly fine with the Jim Wolf Tech flywheel. So yeah, this will probably be the next big install. Oh wait, I forgot actually the other thing that I have, which is up in here, is actually right here. It's these guys.